Have you ever tried to follow someone on TikTok and noticed that it just doesn't work? You're not alone. Many users encounter this issue, and today we're going to break down the reasons why you might not be able to follow people and how to fix it. Whether you're trying to grow your account or just connect with your favorite creators, understanding these limitations can save you a lot of frustration. One of the most common reasons you can't follow people on TikTok is that you may have hit the follow limit. TikTok restricts the number of accounts you can follow in a short period to prevent spam. If you follow too many people too quickly, the app may temporarily block you from following anyone else. This is usually a temporary restriction that can last a few hours or sometimes a day, depending on the situation. Another reason could be account restrictions or suspensions. TikTok sometimes detects unusual activity, such as rapid following and unfollowing or other spam-like behavior. If your account is flagged for this, you might see a temporary follow restriction. Always check your notifications or email for messages from TikTok about your account status. Technical issues can also play a role. Using an outdated version of TikTok, encountering server problems, or having a weak internet connection can prevent your follow requests from going through. Make sure your app is updated, try restarting your phone, or switch to a more stable network to see if that resolves the problem. Other factors include private accounts, which require the account owner to approve your follow request, or age and region restrictions, which can limit certain interactions for younger users or in specific countries. If you're trying to follow someone and it's not working, check if their account is private or if your account falls under these restrictions. To fix this issue, try a few simple steps. Wait a few hours if you hit the follow limit, update the TikTok app, clear the app cache, and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Avoid following and unfollowing large numbers of accounts too quickly, as this can trigger TikTok's anti-spam measures. In summary, there are several reasons you might not be able to follow people on TikTok, including follow limits, account restrictions, technical issues, private accounts, and age or region limits. By understanding these factors and following the tips we discussed, you can usually get back to following your favorite creators in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more TikTok tips and troubleshooting guides. Drop a comment below. Have you ever experienced this issue, and how did you fix it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.